What a happy baby. Hi. What you doing? What you doing? Hi, buddy. What you doing? What's baby Phoenix doing? He's so pretty. He's so pretty. Yeah, so pretty. Are you having a good time? Are ya? Are you having a good time? Yeah. Oh, look at that face. There she is. Hi, pretty girl. You're not very big. You're not very big. No. Yeah. Who's a happy baby? Who's a happy baby? Who's a happy? Oh, your hands are kind of cold. Yeah, your hands are kind of cold. Well, you're in a state of constant motion, aren't you? Just a very happy, agreeable baby. Are you getting worked up? Are you talking? Oh my goodness. You're so sweet. I'm a pretty girl. I'm a pretty girl, yeah. Do you want this? Here, you want that? I shouldn't have given that to you. You weren't crying, but oh well. Bad mommy. I hope you stay awake until Daddy gets home. He'll want to play with you.